Here's how to get Discord backup codes. Now open up the Discord app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And from here, we need to get to your settings to be able to enable those backup codes. So at the very bottom right, let's tap on You and then the gear icon at the top right. Now within here, we first need to turn on the Authenticator app and then we'll get the backup codes. I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's tap on the account option and then enable Authenticator app. You can use various Authenticator apps. In this case, I'm going to use Google Authenticator, which is a great app to use. So let's hit next here and tap on copy. So we're going to copy this two-factor authentication code. And then from here, open up Google Authenticator. At the very bottom right, you can see that little plus. Let's tap on that and enter a setup key. Now from here, all we need to do is hit paste in this key, and then we're going to name this Discord and hit add. Now the nice thing is it will show you a code. Now you've set this up in the Google Authenticator app, but we need to verify this in the Discord app, and then we'll get the backup codes. So you can see Discord here. I'm just going to tap on it to copy that code. And then if I tap on next, I can hit allow paste. And then I can enter in this password here. Let me enter in that password and hit submit. Just like this, I've gone through the process of entering in that two-factor authentication code through the Authenticator app. So now I've done everything and I can get those backup codes. All I need to do to be able to find them is I can hit done here. And now you can see under security keys is view backup codes. I will need to enter in the password one more time for my account. But after I've done that and I've entered in that verification key, let's enter that in here on Discord. Wait until it refreshes. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's tap on it and then enter that in and hit submit. Oh, it should say enter the key that was sent to the email address. So in this case, just open up your email, enter that verification code, and then finally you'll be able to tap on view backup codes and see all of those backup codes.